Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaga. Today I'll tell you one more refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is watermelon with mocktail. How to make that mocktail? First of all, you should take a shaker glass and add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml to 15 ml of lemon juice, and you have to pour 30 ml of watermelon syrup. Okay, 30 ml of watermelon syrup. Then just shake all the ingredients properly. Shake it. You have to shake water. Then take any type of fancy glass and just pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. Then what you'll do? Take a small decanter and pour 5 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Okay. After that, okay, then you have to just simply pour link on this. Okay, then with the help of bar spoon, slowly you have to pour the drink on top, so that two layer very fancy mocktail will be prepared. You can see this is very fancy mocktail. You can try. Okay, then with the help of bar spoon, slowly you have to pour the see your watermelon where mocktail is ready. You can garnish the mocktail with watermelon. I'm ordering watermelon, then I'm garnishing with mint leaven, and you can garnish it orange slice. Okay. See, your fancy mocktail is ready. Watermelon with the combination of watermelon syrup, lime juice, and linka and blue cocoa. See how the fancy color, very fancy color. You can see the color. Please try this mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching my video. If you want to make like lots of mocktails, then you can see my video. Cheers for this mocktail.